RR Singaraja. Hai, good afternoon.
Hai, good afternoon teman Pro 2 dan juga Kakak Iren.
Hello, Tris.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How is it going?
And we are glad to meet you,
Yeah,
teman Pro 2,
that's right.
on English Corner.
Yes, listen us to know the word more.
Yes, and today we have a special topic. Actually,
Yep.
maybe it's simple topic, but
It's
maybe
very simple.
for them who
mhm.
are not common with this
Yep.
what's that names or
Uh-uh.
maybe or the
What
what
is
is that?
uh,
We call it
um,
a term, yeah.
yes, that's
We
right.
will find, especially for you
Mhm.
who are for the first time visiting Bali. So maybe you can find some difficulties to remember Balinese names.
Balinese name.
Yeah, this is our topic today, Kakak Iren.
Yes, the
about
meaning of Balinese
Balinese
names.
Yeah, maybe for you, teman Proda, or maybe for who listen us today, yeah, in YouTube channel RRI Singaraja Official and also RRI Digital. Yeah, just commonly you heard about what is Balinese name. The meaning, maybe the common names like Putu, and then
Made,
Nyoman, Komang, and
Ketut.
one popular song that was that come from the idea come from Balinese name
Yes.
is Komang.
Komang.
From
Yeah,
Laude,
Raim Laude. Yes.
Yeah, and we will talk about this. So if you are curious about what's actually the meaning of the Balinese names,
Yep.
so stay tuned with us.
Oh my god. Teman terbaik kamu, Produa.
You are listening English Corner with me Rana Mora and Tris Mallory. Yeah.
Yes. Listen us to know the word more,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's
And our
right.
topic is maybe for you who join us this time, yeah, who already also stay tuned with us. We will talk about the meaning of Balinese names, yeah.
Okay.
As we know, we have several terms in Bali, yeah, related to Balinese name, but commonly maybe yes.
Ide
And
bagus,
ide
ya.
bagus. And then we also maybe you found name Dewa Ayu.
Dewa Ayu.
Dewa Ngurah or something like that, yeah.
Anak
So,
Agung.
Anak Agung, yes. That indicate that the people is from the higher case, yeah.
Yes.
Whether Brahma or Ksatria.
Satria. Okay.
Always, yeah. But it will be different situation for those or Balinese people come from Sudra case. Yeah, this is the common names that you maybe found the mostly, yeah.
Yes.
The many names, the same names as
Same
Kakak
name.
Iren said. For example, we will talk about now we forget about the case. We will talk about the Sudra. Yes, the case Sudra that affect the names of Balinese people. And usually, teman Pro 2, Balinese use the general title Ni,
Ni.
I,
Iya, I.
yeah,
Ni
is
for women.
a woman, and E for example,
E.
usually for
Men.
men.
Mhm.
So if you found the complete name for you have friends, yeah, Balinese friends. So the complete name, for example, Ni, Nyoman,
Nyoman.
Ayu, for example, yeah.
like-
It means Ni indicate that she is that woman, yeah.
Yeah.
And for example, I Ketut, something
Yeah.
like that. I Made, nah, I indicate man,
Iya.
yeah.
Okay. I Rene, not
No,
that.
Iran, no, not include Iran, yeah, it's different.
It's one name, yeah, okay.
And also, it's yeah, as we said that this is help to distinguish between woman and man on the paper, yeah, like in administrative purposes. And then,
Okay.
what else, Kakak Iren? We start from the first
Yeah.
child.
Child.
In the family, usually they put Balinese name like Putu,
Ya, Putu.
Ilo, and then
What is that?
Wayan.
Nengah. No, nengah is
Wayan,
Sukamadi,
yeah.
Wayan,
And
yes.
then what is that?
Loh.
Loh, yes. Wayan, gede, putu, loh, and then
What else?
yeah, that's all.
Yeah, okay.
That's what's that? The option, yeah. When you when Balinese people have their first kids, they will put those one of those. They can choose. The
Yep.
parents can choose for terms like putu,
Putu.
gede, wayan, loh.
Okay.
For their kids' name.
Okay, but the difference is especially gede for men or
Gede for
both.
men,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, gede for men and low for
Women, yeah, mostly,
Okay,
yeah.
mostly.
Not mostly, yes, low for women,
Women, yeah,
yeah.
okay.
And putu also can be, but gede is for a man only.
men
yeah.
only. Yeah. Wayan and putu can
Wayan
both,
putu,
yeah.
wayan putu can both women and
Men.
Yeah, men.
Men. Okay.
And then for second kids or second child, usually given terms or names.
Name
Nengah,
Made.
kadek, yeah.
Kade, yeah.
There are three options yeah, to give names for
Okay.
kids. And then for third child,
Nyoman.
and Komang.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my name.
Okay.
Yes,
Komang Tris ya. Komang Tris Mallory. Okay.
Yes, and then for kids only have one terms.
Term,
Only ketut.
Ketut.
Yeah, ketut. And you know that ketut in Bali is almost distinct. Yeah, because nowadays many family can what's that have more than two or three children,
Yeah.
right? So the name of ketut is almost distinct.
Okay.
Cuma Pro 2.
Okay.
That's why government in
Government.
Bali what's that encourage the married couple
Bali.
to have 4 kids.
Four
So
kids.
ketut still exists.
Exist ya. In
And how
Now
many you want to?
zaman.
Nih Kakak Iren maybe
Okay.
want to continue for having ketut or
Okay,
example, ya.
after the fourth child, for the fifth child, sixth, and so on. So it will repeat for the four name above. So meanwhile, the fifth child means back again to Putu, to Wayan, like that. So the sixth child, Made, Nengah, Kade, seven, Nyoman or Komang, 8,
will
Ketut.
repeat.
So it means that if I'm number 6, so I'm Made,
Made
Iren
or Nengah.
Amora.
Yes, Made. Yeah, but in Bali, the terms is called tagel.
Tagel, yeah.
Means
Wayan Tagel.
Wayan Tagel. It means that Wayan in
Double.
in repeat,
Repeated.
double after their
After the real one. Wayan real one,
Real
and
one,
it is
yeah.
Tagel, ya.
So it's mean they repeat after the older or elder brother or sister. We call it
Okay.
tagel, ya. Nyoman tagel, mani tagel, yeah. Because you know before our maybe the older people having children more than 5.
But, yeah,
6,
yeah.
more than 10.
More than 10,
yes.
yeah.
That's why maybe in a family they have 2 or more the same names.
Same name, yeah, that's right.
Okay, yeah. And before that, we also will what's that?
What?
Telling you Pro 2 about another terms about Balinese
Balinese
names.
name.
Some of them have what's that special meaning, yeah, maybe for parents who give because we believe that every name have special meaning
name.
for parents, and also there's also a kind of wishes or
Yes.
hope for what is that? The baby's
The babies,
future,
the
yeah.
future, yeah, the life, the world, yeah, okay.
Yes. Okay, stay tuned.
Hanya perempuan itu sosok yang lemah. Perempuan itu tidak mampu melakukan pekerjaan laki-laki.
Perempuan itu hanya pendamping kaum Adam.
Perempuan itu tidak mampu memimpin seperti pria. Dan perempuan itu tidak perlu mengenyam pendidikan yang tinggi karena akan berakhir mengurus rumah tangga.
Hidup bukanlah persaingan antara laki-laki dan perempuan, melainkan kolaborasi.
Sudah seharusnya laki-laki dan perempuan setara.
Wih, keren banget nih. Katanya ada obat herbal bisa mencegah sakit gigi seumur hidup.
Ada hoax tuh.
Widih. Ini juga keren nih. Ada sumber energi baru PLTH, pembangkit listrik tenaga hampa.
Iya, itu juga hoax kali. Lu bacanya apaan sih? Aduh, pantesan portal abal-abal lu baca. Kalau mau baca berita yang lengkap tapi udah verified, mulai dari berita nasional, internasional, olahraga, gaya hidup sampai hiburan, lu cukup klik rri.co.id. Di situ lu juga bisa streaming RRI digital. Aduh, makanya cek-cek dulu biar gak kegocek di rri.co.id.
The Balinese names actually has the meaning, yeah, in every name, especially for example like Wayan means old, yeah, mature, or Wayah means energy, strength, all given to the firstborn.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then gede. Gede
Yeah.
as the actual meaning of Balinese word means big, yeah.
Big,
and
yeah, okay.
Also, that's why it's given to the firstborn.
And then Putu. Putu meaning grandchild. Same, yeah, for the firstborn. Same like Lo for the firstborn also, meaning daughter.
Doctor,
Yeah.
yes. And then next, Made. It's come from
What is it?
Sanskrit word Madhya,
Madhya,
yeah, means middle.
Okay.
And it given to the second child or
Okay,
second born.
middle between the first and third,
Yeah, and third
child, and
the
that's why the
middle.
middle. Kade meaning younger sibling given to the second born also.
And Tengah, it's came or derived from name Tengah. It's also
Tengah, okay.
means as the middle.
Middle,
yeah.
yeah.
For
Okay.
second born.
What about Nyoman teman Pro 2? This is coming from Anom, yeah, meaning younger or small given to the third born.
And then Komang, yeah.
Yes.
It's almost it's the popular name actually, yeah, because there are many songs
Yeah.
in Komang, yeah.
Komang.
From Balinese word Uman, meaning
Uman.
and or remainder, and then it given to the third born.
Okay, what about Ketut is from Ketut, yeah, means follow, or Kitut means small banana given to the third born, yeah.
From Kitut,
Kitut, yeah.
Okay, that's because
Like
Ketut
the
is the
ikut.
small, yeah, or
Yeah.
the youngest in a family.
Families, yes.
Smallest, yeah. And then also we often, maybe you often heard about the name Gusti, yeah, is come or derived from the word that means leader.
Leader.
And then Agung also, yeah, it means the creed.
Okay, what about Chokorda is from Sanskrit, Choka, yeah, and Dewa means foot of gods.
Or maybe you found your friends, Balinese friends, Ngurah, yeah, also Balinese name that has meaning gift from heaven.
Okay,
that's
wow.
Ngurah. And the last, Jero, yeah,
Jero.
some of Balinese people also can be called as Jero.
Yeah.
The meaning, what is Kakak Iren?
A prefix for those who marry someone for a higher case.
Yeah, for example, Komang married to Anak Agong, yeah, Ketut, Dewa, for example, that. They call
Okay.
Jero.
Okay, let's see the
Comment.
live chat ya from
Okay.
RRI. Pastinya Raja Official YouTube ya. There are so many. Okay,
Comments.
I'm Ketut. It's mean I'm number 4 katanya. Oke, ya. And then our operator, the third, Komang Pandey.
Number
Okay.
third. Yeah,
Okay.
means we can know, and it must be not cannot wrong. It's that can be.
Got it.
Yeah, we know from the name you must be
Oh,
number
number
three.
yeah,
You must
okay.
be number one.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yes,
and I'm
yes,
proud
yes.
to be Nyoman, church kids.
Okay.
And some of what's that names in Bali also. There's kind of. Yes, this is a Balinese name, something like that. It also has meaning actually, Kakak Iren. Mostly they given their child.
The famous name in Bali.
Yeah, what's that? Has they give a name positive things for their kids, something like that. Yeah, as what we said, that every names has its meaning. Yeah, usually it's come from some
What is
of
that?
prayer and then hope from parents to their child, and we can often found name Dewi.
Dewi,
It's come from
yeah.
means goodness, yeah. And then also Setiawan.
Setiawan,
It's
okay.
a kind of Balinese popular name, means faithful, setia from
Okay. Widi.
Yes, Widi also. What is the actually means?
What is the meaning?
Widi, Widiarta, something like Widi means like a bless.
Yeah, blessing
Yeah.
for Ida Sang Yang
Yang
Widi,
Widi,
from the
our
God, yeah.
Balinese God. And what's that? Nuri, yeah. We have
Oh,
friends
yeah,
named
we have,
Nuri.
yeah. Okay.
And also Dharma, yeah, means the goodness,
Good,
yeah. And
Saputra,
Saputra.
etc.
Oh, yeah, many,
Yeah,
yeah.
so many.
That indicate that you must be Balinese. We know from the names.
Names, okay.
So if you come to Bali, don't be shocked if you found similar names.
Same,
from
you
your friends.
ketut.
Yes,
And you
ketut.
made.
But yeah,
Same, yeah?
actually the middle name must be different, ya Kakak Iren.
yeah.
The first name same, but the middle and then the last name must be different.
Different. Okay, because time is up, Tris. Oh my god.
Yeah.
So, Komang Tris.
Yes, Made
Made
Iren.
Iren ya. Made Tagel ya.
Made Tagel, yeah.
Okay.
We have to finish our meeting today, but don't forget to listen us every Friday next week also, yeah.
Yeah.
With a different topic. And this is finally
Finally.
this is time for us to say goodbye.
Bye.
Tempe is a traditional Indonesian food made from soybeans that have been fermented using several types of rhizopus mold. This fermentation is generally known as tempe yeast. Tempe can be prepared in a variety of different ways or dishes. Apart from having a delicious taste, tempe is also a food that is rich in nutrition and beneficial for the human body. Fermentation of yeast with soybean produces complex compounds into simple compounds that are easily digested by humans. Tempe is rich in dietary fiber, calcium, vitamin B, and iron.